Shenzhen XLX Trading Co. Ltd. was founded in 2017 and is located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. Our main products are LED flexible neon strip. We have a wealth of industry experience and are a reliable supplier. Our hold factory has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. Our products are popular in both overseas and domestic market. The products are widely recognized and trusted by users and can meet continuously changing economic and social needs. With continuously releasing the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, our company always maintains the novelty and innovative products to take the customer's thoughts and urgency into consideration. Providing excellent service for customers and meeting customer needs are our eternal pursuit. Our company's products sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory quality and perfect after-sales service. Our hold factory have a professional R&D team. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. ODM and OEM orders are welcome. We will 100% support for all of any requirements. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We look forward to your visit. Thanks.